This video for those people who have modified their headlights, either by putting like LED bulbs or, like in my case, the whole angel eyes rings are replaced. After I installed these headlights, they started flickering, as you can see on this video. They were on a different car, but I installed them on this wagon. And to avoid this problem, you have to buy the decoders. They are called LED decoders. Then your headlights not gonna throw error message, and also they're not gonna flicker, because these were so annoying, especially driving at night. People thought I'm just like hiding them, but it's like was with angel eyes. So yeah, to install them it's easier to remove the headlight, and because my hands are super big and they do not fit in here. So this is how the decoder looks like. And since my headlights are completely customized, there is no bulbs like regular ones, I have enough room to have it inside, but this thing is designed to be held outside. But I'm not sure how you can retrofit these wires through the casing of the headlight casing, so in my case I'm just gonna have it inside. So these LED decoders work, and they work great. They're not expensive, and the ones I'm using, I'm gonna have the link in the description. I bought them from ECS Tuning, and they were not expensive, totally worth it, and they work. And the most important thing, we don't have a error message on the dashboard. Let me just show you guys. I have other messages, but not for the headlights. Yep.